Next up, Terry Francis joins us in the studio for Manager's View.
We'll get his opinion on Seth Fabregas and the other arm.
So I can get it.